Ever heard of the Bitcoin dominance chart, or BTC.D, and wondered what it's all about? Maybe you've seen it on TradingView or CoinMarketCap, but aren't sure how to use it. Well, today I'm breaking it down in just a few minutes so you can level up your crypto game. Stick around, hit that like button, and let's dive in. So what's Bitcoin dominance? It's a percentage that shows how much of the total crypto market cap belongs to Bitcoin. Think of the crypto market as a big pie. Bitcoin's slice is its dominance. Here's the math. You take Bitcoin's market cap, divide it by the total crypto market cap, and multiply by 100. For example, if Bitcoin's worth $1 trillion and the whole market's $2.5 trillion, Bitcoin dominance is 40%. It's like a tug-of-war between Bitcoin and altcoins. When Bitcoin's slice grows, altcoins shrink and vice versa. Now let's talk about how to read the BTC dot chart. You'll find it on platforms like TradingView or CoinMarketCap, and it looks like a line or candlestick chart showing Bitcoin's dominance over time. Here's what the movements mean. A uptrend in BTC.D, Bitcoin's taking over. This happens in bear markets when people see Bitcoin as the safe crypto, or during Bitcoin bull runs, like after a halving. A downtrend in BTC.D. Altcoins are stealing the show. This is common in bull markets or altcoin season, when coins like Ethereum or Solana surge. Sideways movement. The market's chilling, with Bitcoin and altcoins moving together. And there you have it, the Bitcoin dominance chart demystified. Whether you're a trader or just hodling, BTC.D is a must-watch to stay ahead in crypto. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more crypto breakdowns.